You bought a Trico Tech wiper blade. Now what? Determine whether you have a wide or narrow push-button wiper arm by measuring it with a penny. A penny will fit snugly into the end of the wide 22mm wiper arm. It will not fit into the end of the narrow 19mm arm. Before installation, remove the plastic protector from the blade rubber. With this arm type, it is necessary to remove the pre-attached adapter on the wiper blade and replace it as follows with adapter BC. Identify the release tabs for the pre-attached adapter. These tabs are labeled Press and are located at the back of the adapter. Pinch the tabs at the back of the adapter. Lift adapter until it disengages from the blade. Discard it. Now, locate adapter BC. Lower the adapter onto the pin until it clicks in place. Adapter BC must lock onto the blade before proceeding to the next step. Press the tab on the front of adapter B. Lift shim C off of adapter B and discard it. Push the tabs at the back end of the adapter together. Pull the blade into the underside of the arm. The button on the top of the adapter must lock into the hole in the top of the arm. Before use, be sure the wiper blade is locked onto the wiper arm. It's that easy. Now you're ready for the road ahead.